Hello everyone, welcome. Testing your way to riches. Real chat-based online jobs you can do from anywhere. So in this video, I am going to show you some jobs that deals with just chatting, and then as you chat, you get paid for chatting. Number one is Just Answer. This is expert chatting for pay. Just Answer. That is the app or the website where you can get that job. If you got expertise, whether in car, mechanics, law, healthcare, or tech, you can join Just Answer as a live chat expert. You set your schedule and get paid per answer, with successful users earning $2,000 to $7,000 per month, depending on activity level. One former Ford mechanic even earns over $14,000 a month answering car-related questions from home. Number two is Cambly plus Prickly, iTalki, conversational English tutoring. This platform pay you to chat with English learners. Cambly pays around $10.20 to $12 per hour, often for free form conversation without lesson prep. Preply tutors can earn about $18 per hour chatting informally with students, while iTalki allows you to set your own rates with a 15% platform fee, whether as a certified teacher or community tutor. Number three is Premium Chat. On Premium Chat, you get paid by the minute for advice or support. If you are comfortable offering expertise, mentorship, or even influencer style chats, Premium Chat lets you charge per minute via text, audio, or video. You set your rate, commonly up to $3.99 per minute, and clients reach out to you directly. You can even embed this feature on your own site. Number four is Friend PC. Rent a cyber friend and friendly virtual companionship gigs. These platforms pay for friendship, emotional support, or casual chatting. Friend PC pays between $5 to $30 per hour, with some adult chat roles commanding up to $500 per hour in rare cases. Rent a cyber friend lets you set your own hourly rate, typically between $15 to $50 plus, with the platform taking a 20% commission. Then Friendly. The Friendly is PHRENDLY. Friendly offers chat, voice, and video chat opportunities on flexible scheduling terms. Number five is customer support chat roles via chat desk. Working Solutions, the chat shop. If structured support work appeals to you, several legitimate companies hire chat agents. Chat Desk pays around $10 to $20 per hour, offering flexible, fully remote work in customer service via chat. Then Working Solutions offers similar pay and flexibility, spanning industries like retail, healthcare, and finance. The Chat Shop, a UK-based firm, pays $10 to $15 per hour at entry level and higher. For more specialized roles, you may need a solid typing speed, about 65 words per minute, if you are going to take part in this. Now, here are what real users are saying. Some individuals manage to struggle or to juggle multiple chat roles and earn surprisingly well. Somebody said, I am currently navigating 5 chat support jobs, providing a surprisingly hefty monthly income ranging between $10,000 to $15,000 in a month. Others have sounded important caveats, especially in adult chat roles. Somebody said, there's lots of sexy chat jobs that pay next to nothing, and it's absolutely demoralizing. Your pay is super low compared to the indirect trauma you get. Now, here are some tips to choose the right chatting gig. Number one, define your comfort zone. Support, teaching versus personal emotional chat versus adult themed roles. So you have to define your comfort zone. Number two is to prioritize reputable platforms, especially for compensation and safety, e.g. Cambly, Just Answer, Chat Desk. Number three, handle sensitive content mindfully. Some roles may require discretion and emotional resilience. Number four, optimize your setup. Fast typing, webcam, stable internet, and a distraction-free workspace. So if you are in Africa, you may need to do this in the midnight or get a room where nobody comes to disturb you when you are chatting. Then number five is to diversify roles for stability. Balancing several platforms, e.g. teaching plus support plus expert answers, can smooth income. Now, here is my conclusion. Chat-based online work offers a wide spectrum, from paid expertise and language tutorial to virtual companionship and structured customer support. Your earnings can range from modest to substantial, depending on the platform and how much you engage. If you'd like a deeper dive into a specific type, best platforms for Nigerian users, or how to get started with premium chat, just say the word in the comment section and I will be there to bring that up for you. But you must ask me before I can do that for you. This is Dr. Olumide YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, I bring information on how to make money online and offline. That is my passion. And why am I doing this? I'm doing this because I know it is important for you to make money. Money is very, very important. So if you have enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button, click the like button, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back for more. Until I come away in the next one. Yeah, before I go, I remember this now. All this, you can do it on this website. I've mentioned them differently. You can check them up on Google, and then you can register and start seeing how it goes. At the same rate, I need to let you know that you can create your website, you can create your YouTube channel, you can create your TikTok account, you can create any kind of account where you advertise yourself as somebody that can chat with other people. There are many lonely people looking for people to chat with, and that's why people come online. So you can chat with them, and then you get paid by chatting with them. And then even these companies can contact you to chat, to be part of their people that chat for them. So this is how it goes. So instead of just waiting or saying that the companies are not employing you to chat, you can start something on your own, and then you are going to be glad to do it. Please, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one you need to watch now.